How do I change my LISTSERV subscription email address? From the LISTSERV homepage, use the main navigation menu and log in. Click on the list of interest to open the list homepage. Then use the side menu and click on Subscribe or Unsubscribe. Then simply change your email address in the text box to your new address, followed by Update Settings. After this, a confirmation email will be sent to your email address as a security measure. Simply click on the confirmation link to confirm the change. Note that the LISTSERV password associated with your old email address will not automatically transfer over to the new email address. To create a password for your new email address, log out and click on Register under Subscriber Options. Then fill out the registration form to create a password for your new email address and activate it by clicking on the link in the confirmation email. Thank you for watching.